Okay, welcome back students. One more problem we shall discuss. See, show that x power 5 minus 5x cube, x power 5 minus 5x cube plus 5x square minus 1 equal to 0 has three equal roots, has three equal roots, and find their root. So one more problem is also included in this one. Second bit. Find the repeated roots of the function x power 5 minus 3x to the power of 4 minus 5x cube plus 27x square minus 32x plus 12 equal to 0. See, in this problem, second problem, two problems are given to you. See, same. First, let me read the first problem. Show that x power 5 minus 5x cube plus 5x square minus 1 equal to 0 has three equal roots. We have to find the roots. The three roots are equal. See, same. Let f of x equal to x power 5 minus 5x cube plus 5x square minus 1 equal to 0. See, find f dash x. What happened? Differentiation 5x power 4, 15x square, 10x. Differentiation of constant equal to 0. Okay. Now, find f double dash x. Second derivative, that is 20x cube minus 30x plus 10. See, from the given function f of x, we have the values f dash x, f double dash x. See, again, like in previous problem, you have to apply the trial and error method. See, we can easily say one is the root of this equation. How? Actually, the coefficients of this equation, the coefficient equal to 0 means 1 is the root of that equation. In earlier class, in 10th class, we studied the sum of the coefficients are equal to 0, then x minus 1 is a factor. So, let me try for f of 1. You substitute 1 in the f of x value. What happened? 1 power 5 minus 5 into 1 cube plus 5 into 1 square minus 1 equal to 1 minus 5 plus 5 minus 1 plus 5 minus cancel plus 1 minus 1 equal to cancel equal to 0. It means f of 1 equal to 0. Let me try for f dash minus f dash 1. We put 1 in f dash. See, 5 into 1 power 4, 15 into 1 square plus 10 into 1 equal to 5. See, 5x power 4, 15x square plus 10x. 5 minus 15 plus 10. 15 minus 15 equal to 0. Again, f dash 1 is also 0. This is third degree equation. For second derivative, see, suppose f dash 1, what happened? 20 into 1 cube minus 30 into minus 30 into 1 plus 10. 20 minus 30 plus 10. What happened? Again it is 0. See, 0 is repeating. Now we have to find the value. Also, it means x minus 1 is a factor. X minus 1 is a factor. So you can say easily 1 is the multiple root. So otherwise you can find another way. It means f dash 1 equal to 0. Again you take the coefficients. What I will have? Y minus 5, x power 5 quotient 1, here plus 5 minus 1. See, you have to observe, we covered all the terms or not. See, x power 5 quotient 1. After that, we have no x power 4 term. So, you write 0. Another method, 1, no, there is no x power 4, after x power 5 you put 0. Next x cube minus 5, x square 10 plus 5, x 10 absent. Next x power 4, x cube, x square and x power 5, no x power 4, this is x cube, this is x square, again no x term, again write the constant term. See, these two terms are absent in a given equation, so we put 0, plus 0 or minus 0. So, we have already 1 is a factor, we put 1, 1 plus 1, again plus 1, minus 4, again plus 1, 1, cancel. What is the equation? What is the equation have? See, the equation is x cube the equation is x cube. I have to repeat or once again you write divided by 1, 1, 2, minus 2, here minus 1 cancel. The equation is x cube plus 2x square minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. See, again you observe here, sum of the coefficients in this equation, 1 plus 2 minus 2 minus 1, 0. So x minus 1 is a factor. You learned this point in remainder theorem, which you have studied in 10th class. So up to here the problem is over, because the one is satisfied, f of x, f dash and f double dash x. So one is the repeated root. See, 3 equal roots. So this is third equation. We have 3 equal roots, 1, 1, 1. Okay, up to here the problem closed. Or you take by synthetic method you can find the third one. Okay, this is the problem. And we have the second bit is also have, that is given to you. What is the second one? X power 5, let f of x equal to x power 5 minus 3x power 4 minus 5x cube 27x square minus 32x plus 10. See, x power 5 minus 3x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 27x square minus 32x plus 12. Okay. Now, find the differentiation. Now, we know the differentiation. 5x power 4 minus 12x cube minus 15x square plus 54x minus 32. See, we are familiar with the differentiation in our first year. Okay, this is the first derivative we have found. Now, can you find the second derivative? Second derivative also we can find easily. Okay, Okay, one thing you do. Let us follow the trial and error method. Let me verify whether it 2 for 2. F of t find 2 power 5 minus 3 into 2 to the power of 4, 5 into 2 cube plus 27 into 2 square minus 32 into 2 plus 12. 2 to the power of 5, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times, that is 32. Minus 3 into 16, minus 5 into 8, 27 into 4, minus 64 plus 12. Again, 32 minus 48, 8 5 is 40, plus 27 4 is 108, minus 64 plus 12. You write all the plus terms. 32 plus 108 plus 12. You write here negative terms minus 48, 40, 64. Yes, see. 32, this is 140, 152. Here also minus 150 equal to 0. So F2 equal to 0. It means we can say 2 is a root or x minus 2 is a f factor. Now take f dash 2. F dash 2 to find 5 into 2 to the power of 4 minus 12 into 2 cube minus 15 into 2 square 54 into 2 minus 32. Just I substituted 2 in the place of x in f dash x. Here 5 into 2 to the power of 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 60 minus 12 into this value equal to 8 minus 15 into this equal to 4. Again 15 4 is 108 minus 32. 16 5 is 80 minus 96 minus 60 plus 108 minus 32. You write all the plus terms here. 80 plus 108. Yes, right. Write the remaining 96, 60, 32. Here add 188. Here also 198. 188. 0. So f dash 2 also 0. It means 2 is the multiple root. It means x minus 2 is a factor. Now x minus 2 is a factor. Okay. Now write, we follow simple synthetic method or Horner method. See here, the quotient of x power 5, 1. We have, we have to, the second problem, this one. Next, quotient of x power 4, that is minus 3. After that x cube, minus 5. X square, 27. X minus 32. Okay? And last constant, plus 12. Once again you check, here two problems are given. Don't confuse. X power 5, x power 4, x cube term, x square term, x term, and a constant. Okay. Now, again you follow 0 divided by 2. What happened? 1. 2 is a multiple root. So divide it with by 2. 1 means 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 7, minus 14. This is 13. 13 2s are 26. Here minus 6. It goes to minus 12. Both are cancelled. So we have the remainder is 0. So again you must divide it by 2. 1, 2 into 1. 1, 2 into 1, 2. Here 2 minus 1 means 1. 1 into 2, 2. Subtraction, minus 5, minus 10, plus 3, plus 6, 0. We did this type of problems in 10th class. Now we have 1 plus 1 minus 5 plus 3. See, you divide it with by 2 times because 2 is the common root of f of x and f dash x. So again we have to find the roots of this one. See, let me rub here. Again we have an equation. See, let this equation be another polynomial, another function g of x. This is constant term, x square term, x cube term. So it will be x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 3. So we have another function g of x. Again, you check, you find the differentiation of first one, g dash x. 3x square plus 2x minus 5 is the differentiation of the g of x function, that is g of x. And you check. Again, you have to check for 1, 2, 3 values. So again, you follow the trial and error method. Okay. It is easily, you can say, 1 is the root of this equation. Why? The sum of the quotients equal to 0. See, let me test for 1. It is g of 1 cube plus 1 square, 5 into 1 plus 3 equal to 1 cube 1. This is 1 minus 1 plus 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 5 equal to 0. So g of 1 equal to 0 means 1 is the root of the function g of x. Okay? Without doing the problem, we can say easily the answer by applying the sum of the quotients in that given expression or polynomial or equation is 0. X minus 1 is a factor. We studied this point in our 10th class in Reminder's theorem chapter. Now again you test it for g dash 1. You substitute 1 in the g dash function. It is 3 into 1 square plus 2 into 1 minus 5. Again 3 plus 2 minus 5. 5 minus 5 equal to 0. So this one is also satisfied the derivative of the function g of x. It means first derivative you satisfied. Again you go through the this is the third degree equation. So already we have 2 roots. We have to find one more root. See, we have to write the function. What is the g of x function? 1 plus 1 minus 5 plus 3. See, this is the g of function. Okay? X cube term, x square term, x. Okay, constant x square, x cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now, right. Now one is satisfied. So you take 1. 1 into 1, 1. 2, 2 ones are 2. Here minus 3 equal to 0. Now, again you divided it by 1 because it is 1 is the root of g of x function d dash x. It has 2 multiple roots, 2 times. Again 1. This is 1. 1 into 1. Again 1. 3 ones are 3. Cancel 0. We have x plus 3 equal to 0. It means x equal to minus 3. See, for this function we have the roots 1, 1, minus 3 and the function here we have 2, 2. 2, 2, the roots are 2, 2, 1, 1, minus 3. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a 5th degree equation. See, this is very easy when you have touched or grip in 10th class subject. Okay? See, here we follow the synthetic method. Okay? This is the way of solving the equation. Okay? Thank you.